Hey everyone, welcome to our channel, the best place for all things sewing. Today I'm going to be talking about grading sizes. We'll be covering the 3 W's: who, what, when, where, and why. But before I jump in, go ahead and do me a favor and hit like and subscribe. So first I would like to talk about pattern sizing. When you look at a size chart from any pattern company, there's a list of measurements attached to each size. What you may not know is the majority of time those measurements were created from a large census of people that were averaged to create sizes. This tells us 2 things. There is not a perfect size, and 2, if you don't happen to fit evenly into one size, your body is not whack.
Hello, pear-shaped.
You're the who this is for. Okay, so now let's jump into what is grading for size. Grading for size is when you adjust any sewing pattern to blend different sizes to fit you or whoever you're sewing for. Because isn't that one of the main reasons we sew? So when should we grade for size? Do we always grade for size? There are times when I don't bother. If I'm sewing a top that is fitted or loose in the chest, and it continues loose or flares away from the body, I don't always size up or down for my waist or my hips. But if I'm sewing something that is fitted, I do absolutely want to grade sizes. Or if you're sewing for a child and their width and height are not in the same sizes, you do always want to grade sizes. Okay, now let's get into where we grade and how. First, we want to make sure that you take your measurements or the measurements of the person you're sewing for. We have an amazing YouTube video about just that. So then you'll want to print out all the sizes that you'll be using. Next, you'll mark on the pattern the areas where you need to blend sizing. I like to do this with dots and a marker. And then you'll need to connect the dots, but not with sharp straight lines. You'll want to make sure that your lines follow the general curves of the pattern with a gradual increase or decrease between the sizes. You don't want points or extreme curves. If you're blending sizes for height and width, I usually start with the width, and then I find the shoulder points or top of the rise for bottoms. Then I mark the bottom length of the top or the bottom length of the bottom. And again, you'll want to create smooth, gradual increases or decreases in the lines. And that's how it's done. This is actually a very easy adjustment to do. And then you'll be able to create very well-fitting garments that you'll love to wear. And that's why we do it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to check out our other videos. Until next time.